Hello children, hope you all doing your homework regularly. In last video, we have learnt about some introduction topics such as I am special, my birthday, my favorite things. In lesson 1, me and my family. Have you all enjoyed the video? Now you all know about some importance of special things, how to celebrate birthday and some of their favorite things. Today we are going to see some more interesting topics in this lesson 1, me and my family. Let me start the session. The first topic that we already learnt is I am special. Shall we start to read now? We are all different from each other, but each one of us is special. What he is saying? Hello friends, my name is Sham. I am a boy. I am 6 years old. What she is saying? My name is Shirley. I am a girl. I am 6 years old too. Shall we repeat it again? We are all different, which means separate. separate, separate from each other. So, we are all separate from each other. But each one of us is special. Special, which means unique. 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 Each one of us is unique. What he is saying, see? Hello friends, my name is Sham. I am a boy. I am 6 years old. And what she is saying? My name is Shirley. I am a girl. I am 6 years old too. I have given two pictures with a boy and a girl. How they are different from each other? He is a boy and she is a girl. They introduced about themselves by saying their name, gender, it means boy or girl, and then their age. So, from this we can say that each one of us is special and they are different from each other. The second topic is my birthday. We already learnt about how we are all celebrating the birthday. Shall we start to read now? We celebrate the day we were born. This special day is known as birthday. On our birthday, we wear a new dress. We invite our friends and cut a cake. We give chocolates to our friends and teachers at school. We get gift on this day. Shall we repeat again? We celebrate. Celebrate, which means enjoy. 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 We enjoy the day we were born. This special day is known as birthday. On our birthday, we wear a new dress. We invite, which means friendly request. We will call our friends and we will cut a cake. We give chocolates to our friends and teachers at school. We get gift on this day. So, the day we were born is known as birthday. What we will do on our birthday? We will wear a new dress, we invite our friends and we will cut a cake, we give chocolates to our friends and also teachers at school. And also we get a gift on this day. The picture that shows about the celebration of birthday with your family and friends. The next topic is my favorite things. We already learnt about my favorite things. Shall we start to read now? We all do many things every day, but there are a few things that we like to do the most. They are our favorite things. Read aloud what these children have to say. My name is Mani. I like to play football. Shall we repeat it again? We all do many things every day, but there are a few things that we like to do the most. They are our favorite things. What is the meaning of favorite here? Best. B-E-S-T. So, the favorite here mean the best things we do. Read aloud what these children have to say. My name is Mani. I like to play football. Look at this picture. What his name? His name is Mani and he likes to play football. So, his favorite thing is to play football. Here some of their favorite things. Shall we start to read now? My name is Dolly. I like to dance. My name is Shalu. I like to sing. Shall we repeat it once again? My name is Dolly. I like to dance. My name is Shalu. I like to sing. Look at this first picture. What's her name? Her name is Dolly. And what she likes? She likes to dance. So her favorite thing is dancing. Look at the second picture. What's her name? Her name is Shalu. What she likes? She likes to sing. So her favorite thing is singing. Here is a new topic, my family and me, in page number 13. Shall we spell out by one? Yeah. F-A-M-I-L-Y. Family. I-S-S. S-P-E-C-I-A-L. Special. Yeah, family is special. Second point. D-O, do. Y-O-U, you. K-N-O-W, no. W-H-A-T, what. Yeah. F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. I-S-S. M-A-D-E, made. U-P, up. O-F, off. Do you know what your family is made up of? Third point. Yeah. F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. I-S-S. M-A-D-E, made. U-P, up. O-F, off. P-E-O-P-L-E, people. W-H-O, who. L-O-V-E, love. A-N-D, and. C-A-R-E, care. F-O-R, for. E-A-C-H, each. O-T-H-E-R, other. Shall we repeat this line? A family is made up of people who love and care for each other. Fourth point. F-A-T-H-E-R, father, comma. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R, brother. A-N-D, and. S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R, together. M-A-K-E, make. Yeah. Family. Family. Shall we repeat this line? Father, mother, brother and sister together make a family. Fifth point. MOTHER mother. AND and. FATHER father. ARER. CALLED called. OUR our. PARENTS parents. Shall we repeat this line? Mother and father are called our parents. Last line. BROTHER brother. AND and. SISTER sister. ARER. CALLED called. SIBLINGS siblings. Shall we repeat this line? Brother and sister are called siblings. What is the meaning of siblings here? A brother or a sister. Shall we repeat it once again? A family is special. Do you know what a family is made up of? A family is made up of people who love and care for each other. Father, mother, brother and sister together make a family. Mother and father are called our parents. Brother and sister are called siblings. Okay. What do you all know about family, children? A family is something special to us. You all enjoying with your father, mother, grandparents, brother, sisters. So, all of us makes a family. What a family is made up of, children? A family is made up of people who love and care for each other. You love your parents and they also loves you and cares about you. Father, mother, brother and sister together makes a family. Here, mother and father are called parents. Brother and sister are called siblings. The next topic is my family in page number 13. Complete this below blanks by your parents' guidance. I tell you once. I have a small family. My family consists of dash members. That means how many members in your family you have to write in this first blank. Second, you have to write your father's name. Third, he is a dash profession, which means his job. Fourth, my mother's name. You have to write your mother's name. And then she is a dash profession. You have to write her job, about her job. Complete this in your book, children. Then next, shall we start to spell it one by one? WEV. SHOULD should. ALWAYS always. HELP help. RESPECT respect. AND and. TAKE take. CARE care. OF off. OUR our. ELDERS elders. Shall we repeat this line? We should always help, respect and take care of our elders. Next line. OUR our. PARENTS parents. ARER. WONDERFUL. wonderful. PARENTS parents. Our parents are wonderful parents. Next line. W-E-V-H-E-L-P help. A-N-D and. L-O-V-E love. E-A-C-H each. O-T-H-E-R other. I-N-N. O-U-R our. F-A-M-I-L-Y family. Shall we repeat this line? We help and love each other in our family. Shall we start to read from first point? We should always help, respect and take care of our elders. Our parents are wonderful parents. We help and love each other in our family. See the hard words here. Respect. What is mean by respect? Praise. P-R-A-I-S-E praise. So we should always praise our elders and we have to give respect to our elders. Care. What is the meaning of care? Safe. S-A-F-E safe. So our parents are taking care of us. Wonderful. Great. G-R-E-A-T great. Our parents are great parents. Elders. What is the meaning of elders? Our seniors. S-E-N-I-O-R-S. Seniors. We have to take care of our elders. So children, we should always help to our elders and we have to give respect and we have to take care of them. Our parents are wonderful parents, which means our parents are very great parents because they love us and they take care of us. We should help and we should love each other in our family. Students, today's homework, write down the dictation words in your classwork note. 4 lines notebook, 80 pages should be used. Use your pencil and write neatly. Refer the PDF which is attached with this video. This is end of your today's session. We have learnt in lesson 1, me and my family. The topics here is I am special, my birthday, my favorite things, my family and me. Let we see some more interesting topics in the next session. Thank you children.